Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy Darren Brown coming with Darmac Builders. I'm at the project again. It may not seem like it's a lot of activity, but if you notice on the footers here, you see red markings. What those markings represent is the block that's going to be going down, and right here, that's going to be like the outside wall. So, in other words, we laying out the house on the foundation. Okay, this is the stem wall footer foundation. And so those red markings is what you see. You may see a couple of them. Some of them are incorrect, so we had to fix it. Which one is that? Told you I'm unfiltered. Okay, I see which one needs to be done. Okay. So, and then you see where the orange mark is right there. That's where the corner is. The survey company came out. They put a corner there and pin there, so we'll know exactly where the corner is of this particular side of the house. And as I go down further, I have the same thing here on this corner. And the reason why we have the survey to come out here, because we want to know exactly where the house is going to go. I mean, we can figure it out ourselves, but hey, that's what survey companies do. That's their job. That's their scope of work. So if you know that, then just have them come out here and do that. So the house won't be, too far to the left or too far to the right. Now, this particular foundation is different from most. You have a monolithic kind of foundation, which I'm probably going to be doing a house that has a monolithic, but when I show you that, you will know the difference. This is a stem wall footer foundation. As you can see, the red markings there. And so when the block masons come, they just follow that marking. They put their block there, and we go from there, and everything should be square. Hey, if you like what I'm coming to you guys with, just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's Darmac Builders. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you share it with people who are in the field. I don't care if you're realtors, brokers, rehab, flippers, or whatever. You can learn something from my channel. Yes, this is a little bit different because we're building from the ground up. But yeah, if you're going to eventually start doing that, you want to have some kind of idea as far as what to do. Didn't say you had to do it yourself, but you've got to have some kind of like knowledge as far as what you're doing. So that's what we're doing here. We just, the red markings on here, we just laying out everything. And this is something you should do. It takes a lot to do, and patience, and you falling off the plan. And we fall off the plan.
We'll go right here.
I'm gonna look at the plans on that. I think a wall goes there. They haven't got around to that yet. This is my crew that's asking me where it goes there because it's not marked. That's another thing. So if it's not marked, we know that it needs to be marked. Okay? I'm gonna go look at it now. But yeah, this is what we're doing. We're just laying it out. Another guy over there making up our forms. Everybody's doing something. Besides Chris over there just chilling. Okay? So, appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you continue to watch us. And maybe Thursday you're going to see something going on as far as blog goes up. But I'm going to take you all the way to from the beginning to the end of this. All right? Thanks for tuning in. Peace.